guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe and turn on notifications because today I'm trying what's it called? These cookie things. You microwave these for like a minute or 2 minutes and then you enjoy it. So I hope this turns out good because I'm kind of scared. So put it in for a minute. Now, to make sure that it's done, and I'm scared because I never made this before. People say it's good and stuff like that, so I normally record. Oh, and also my hair looks really good today. I added like a little bit of gel today and sleeked it up. And I also gotta put on my cap for this hair because I don't really want to get it messed up. So, period. So, I have my spoon. We have whipped cream. I might put ice cream in it. I don't know. But we have, wait, it's almost done. There's 10 more seconds. On the thingy it said a minute, so I don't know, like, it's done. If it's done. So this is what it looks like. But I don't think it's done. Oh, and I added extra chocolate chips to make sure. Here we go. One more minute just to be sure. They said 1 minute for the recipe I was looking at, but it's heating up. I can smell the chocolate chips. Don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it's kind of. I'll probably do a video on me tasting it, but for now I'm going to check.